Can you read the newspaper clearly?
No, the words look blurry today.
Maybe it's time to visit the eye doctor. Can you read this sentence?
I'm trying, but it's still blurry.
I'll book an eye appointment for you.
Thank you. That would really help.
Our appointment is at 3 o'clock. Let's go.
Great, let's go.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
We have an eye appointment for my husband.
Please follow me to the examination room.
Thank you. What seems to be the problem? My vision is blurry. Everything looks unclear. Can you read this line on the chart?
I'm sorry. I can't read it clearly.
How does this feel? Can you see better now? Oh! Everything is crystal clear now. You need reading glasses. Your vision is a bit weak for close objects.
I understand. Try this frame. It looks good on you.
I like this one. How does it look? How do I look? Do these glasses suit me?
You look very handsome. The blue frame looks perfect on you.
Wow. I can read every word clearly now. These glasses are perfect.
I'm so happy for you.
Here are your new reading glasses. Please wear them every day.
Thank you so much, Doctor. These new glasses are wonderful. Everything looks so clear now.
I'm so happy for you. You look great with them.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Next time, we'll visit the dentist. See you next time.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
See you next time. Goodbye.